Hello สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ
Can you please direct me somewhere I can buy a dildo a dildo sex toy
Stone
sex toy
Six
any shop that sells uh, sex toys
No ไม่รู้ว่าตรงไหนไม่รู้มีเปล่า
Okay thank you Hello how are you
Yeah I'm fine
Oh you can speak good English
A little bit I think
Sure
Yes
Nice to meet you I'm looking for a place where I can buy a dildo
Yes
a dildo
I did
Yes
I'm not sure about that but you can walk to the beach Yeah you will see the shop
Which side of the beach
I think if you exit from the exit way over there
Yeah.
and you go straight and then you turn left
Like how many minutes does it take me to get from here up to there?
I think about 5 to 10 minutes
Oh. But are you sure I can get dildos? Because I want like 6.
Yes Yes
Oh.
I saw them I saw it
Sure.
I saw it yes Yes
Take care.
Yeah
Hello, beautiful lady. How are you? I'm asking something. Can you help me show me a shop where I can buy a dildo?
อะไรนะคะอะไร
A dildo.
อะดีโด
Yeah, sex toy. Sure. Sawadikap. Where can I buy a dildo? Where can I get a dildo?
พี่กราฟอะไรนะ
Dildo. Where can I find a dildo? Somewhere there.
ไม่มีเนาะ
So you don't sell them?
นี่ก็ for make up
You sell makeup?
yes
Oh. Ah. Man, I feel so bad. I'm just walking around. I can't find any shop that sells dildos.
นั่นแฮมเนาะไม่มี
Take care. Thank you. Finished. Hello. How are you? Oh, you're scared? I'm looking for a dildo. Dildo. I'm looking for a dildo. Sex toy. Where can I get it? Don't you have them here? You don't sell them here? Yes. You don't have them? You're trying to search for it? I meant the dildo. Sex toy, yes. Where can I get it? There is no any shop you can show me? Oh, sorry. Take care. Odikap, how are you? Oh. I have something to ask, okay? Where can I get a dildo? A dildo, a sex toy.
I don't know sir
Can you help me direct? You can direct me any shop where I can buy it.
I don't know อันนี้หน้าเหรอ
But do you know dildo?
Maybe
Sex toy?
Marina
Marina, which
Central
side?
Marina Central Marina
Oh.
Yeah
Like how many minutes from here?
I don't
How many minutes does it take me from this place to the other?
knowค่ะ Maybe you go walking speed maybe
Walking street?
Yes
Okay. Thank you so much. Hello.
Hello
How are you?
Yeah and you
Oh, I'm fine. How are you? Can you speak English?
Yeah
Sure. I have something I want you to help me. Can you direct me where I can get a dildo? A dildo. Where I can, yeah, where I can get.
I don't know really
Sure.
Exactly, I don't know. Yeah.
Because my girlfriend is coming tonight, and so I have no power. Okay, so I just want
I don't know.
the dildo.
I don't know really.
You think there is no any shop that sells the dildos here?
This one is not allowed to sell there. It's not allowed to sell here. Yeah.
Oh,
Maybe
sure.
outside near walking street, maybe.
You mean when I go to walking street, I can get?
Yeah, yeah.
Like
That
how
one is
many?
easy.
Like how many?
Walking street.
Yeah.
It's how long far, right?
How many minutes to get there?
I don't know. Maybe 5-10 minutes.
Oh.
Only.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you.
Looking so beautiful. I like your smile. Eh? I'm looking for dildo.
Huh?
Dildo. Dildos, sex toys.
Dildo.
Dildos,
Sex
sex
toys.
toys.
เคย
Yes,
เคยพบ
yes.
ที่ไหนมีขาย
มันต้องแถว
Where can I buy them?
มันต้องแถวตรงไหนวะ ข้างบนเหรอวะ
I've been so up and down since morning. I'm looking for dildos. I can't find any. I need like 5 or 4.
ที่ไหนมีอ่ะ
มันแถวแถวโรเย็นอะโรเย็นการ์เด้น
Hello, you can speak English?
I know but you โรเย็นการ์เด้นอะ you know โรเย็นการ์เด้น
Loyal Garden?
yes have
Which side?
I don't know
Where is Loyal Garden?
เซ็นทรัล
ถัดเซนทรันไปนู่น
เซ็น
อะ
ทรัล
Oh,
เซนทรันตอนนี้
like how much are they selling them? I think they are so expensive that side.
เซ็นทรัลเป็นสื่อไห่กว่าสูง
บัว
Sure.
บัตรโรเย็นการ์เด้น have ชัวร์
Oh, how many minutes does it take me from here to Royal Garden?
แต่ให้เธอไปหา
How many minutes? Do I need to use a motorbike or a taxi? Just walk?
yes you up
Oh,
you up มอเตอร์ไซค์แท็กซี่ you up
oh, thank you so much. Hey, beautiful lady, how are you?
yeah
Where can I buy a dildo?
Huh?
Where can I buy a dildo? Sex toy.
I don't know I'm not have idea
You don't know where I can buy it?
yeah I don't know
Any shop you can
Go.
recommend me?
go up
I go up,
yeah
second floor, third floor.
no this
Which side?
go
You know I need like
Yeah,
4. I need like 4 because my girlfriend is coming tonight and she's coming with her friends.
I don't have idea
Huh?
sorry I don't have idea
Oh. So like how much are they selling them? How much? Like how much? How much money do they sell them?
how much about what
The dildos. Because you said I should go up there.
I go up I don't know
You don't know how
yeah,
much?
I don't know
Oh. Okay, take care.
sorry
Let's go up there.